Year 2000. You're the CEO of Blockbuster. You're on top of the world. 9,000 stores, millions of customers. You basically own Friday nights. Then, two guys walk into your office. Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph. They run a small DVD by mail company called Netflix. They're struggling, losing money, and they want to sell. The asking price? $50 million. You laughed them out of the room. Mail-order DVDs? Who wants to wait for movies? People want instant gratification. They want to walk into a store, grab a movie, and go home. So you say no. $50 million? Not worth it. Fast forward 10 years, Blockbuster files for bankruptcy in 2010. All 9,000 stores shut down. The company that defined movie rentals is dead. Meanwhile, Netflix, they pivoted to streaming, built an empire, and today they're worth over $150 billion. You could have bought them for $50 million. Instead, you let them destroy you. That's not just a mistake, that's a masterclass in terrible business decisions.